Did you know that Jamaica has its own Oscar Awards? If you want to know more, just stay with me to the end of the video and then you will find out what I am talking about. Greetings and salutations everyone, and welcome back to another of my videos. My name is Doreen Reed and I make content on things that are cultural, educational and creative. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for taking the time out to view it and to view my videos. And to all my returning people, welcome, welcome, welcome. Big up yourself, maximum respect. Now, as you see from the title, what we are going to be talking about today, we're going to be talking about our own Oscar Awards right here in Jamaica. Did you know that Jamaica has its own Oscars? How many of you knew that? If you knew that, put that in the comment section. But that's what we are going to be talking about today. So, yes, you've heard right. Jamaica has its own version of the Oscars. The glitz, the glam, the excitement, and of course, the celebration of outstanding talent. When you hear that, you want to say, welcome to the Actor Boys Award, Jamaica's biggest night in theatre. What is it called? The Actor Boys Award. So, what do you know about the Actor Boy Award? So this was established in 1991 and it is the most prestigious event in Jamaica theatre community. So it is one of those nights when the island's most celebrated actors, directors, playwrights, designers of costume, set, light, and all the works come out to celebrate the incredible, yes, contribution that everyone would have made to the stage. So when you think of it, just think of Jamaica's own version of the Tony Awards or the Oscar Awards. And it's a night when arts takes center stage and creativity is celebrated at the highest level. And so you want to ask the question, why the term Actor Boy? Why is it called Actor Boy? So you might be wondering, now the name Actor Boy is taken from one of the John Kuno characters, and if you are I hope you're familiar with the cultural form in Jamaica called John Kuno, right? And you know you have the belly woman, you have Pitchy Patchy, so most people are very familiar with those two characters. Now the Actor Boy is also a character in the John Kuno celebration, and so what is happening, what happened is that this particular character was a character that was quite mischievous, known for the wit and the charm and just very, very good theatrical flair. And so because the character had that particular John Kuno character had those characteristics, yes, I believe they thought it was a fitting name, yes, to represent an award in honor of Jamaica's most charismatic and creative performers. And I'm sure you can see why when you understand what that name actually represents. Now, what many people do not know is that Jamaica has a rich history of theatre, and this is dating all the way back to colonialism. Yes, all the way back to colonialism, when the African traditional storytelling was a major form of entertainment, and all of that was blended with the European drama. And because you had that unique blend, we end up with our own unique style of theatre right here within the Caribbean. But over the years, this style has evolved into a really powerful cultural movement where the plays are no longer just about the storytelling or the reflection of what it is that is European and African, but what it is reflecting the social, the political, and all the cultural issues that exist in the island. And of course, if you have been to any of the plays within Jamaica, you'd hear them talking about different social issues that affects youth, teen, old people, just about everybody Yes, you'll find the issues. But the playwrights, yes, and the directors will also take jab at things that are political within their plays, and also things that are cultural. But that's also one of the benefits of working with arts and culture, because through arts you have advocacy. It can be a means of expressing how it is that you're feeling, and also just to comment on different social issues and issues that exist within the society. So it is not a coincidence why you'll see these issues coming out, yes, in the plays whenever you go to watch them. And so because of this kind of evolution that continues over the years with the talent that comes with it, then you can understand why Actor Boy celebrates this kind of legacy, where it shines a spotlight on all the talent that continues to inspire, the talent and the talents that continue to provoke thought on and off the stage. And of course, a spotlight that continues to allow young talents to just bloom, blossom, and develop. Now, let's talk about the categories that exist. And just like the Oscars, Jamaica Actor Boy Awards covers a range of categories. You have the best actor in a lead role, best actress in a lead role. You talk about best supporting actor, best supporting actress. You talk about best production, best lighting, best set designer, best costume designer, best director. So they have a range that you can particularly think of. And I have been a recipient of the awards. Of awards, and I've been a recipient of nominee, just like many of my colleagues. So I have been nominated for my plays would have been nominated for best costume, best original song, best set design, best director, best production. Did I say that? I had about 11 nominations. And of course, I won about 6 of those awards. The best one for me that I feel most proud of is the Best Director Award that I would have received. Yes, that's an individual award and a testament to, of course, the level of creativity. But those are not the only categories that exist. There are some unique ones that are very unique to Jamaica. For example, there's one for the Best Original Jamaican Script. Best Original Jamaican Script. And I particularly like this one because I think what this one is doing, it is recognizing the incredible storytelling within Jamaica that reflects the island's rich culture, its history, and just the vibrant spirit of the people. So of course, why not reward the talented writers who are willing to capture culture, history, and spirit of a people on paper? That has to be rewarded. And so I particularly like that category, and several persons over the years would have been recipient of that in particular. And I talked earlier about feeling grateful about having received the Best Director Award. But the idea of it is, it's not just about winning an award for the sake of winning, but it's about receiving a stamp of approval from your peers and from an audience. It's just an incredible feeling just to know that your work has resonated with people and it is contributing to the just overall growth of Jamaican theatre. And this is what makes the award so special. Yes, because it's not about winning, it's about the passion, it's about the dedication, and it's about pure love for theatre that every performer, every writer, every director, every designer actually brings to the stage and to the entire creative process. And so that cannot be overstated enough. And so every year, the awards is just one that is exciting, mixed with dazzling performance, heartfelt speeches, and sometimes many firsts. Yes, because sometimes you have people who've been working for years And they just get their moment when finally they would have had the very first time when they would have been receiving the award. Some persons have been nominated many times and year after year, and then you just have that one moment where they would have captured the award. And so I just believe that this kind of excitement is just some amount of unforgettable moments. But what you also don't want to omit out of this is the unforgettable fashion moments where everybody would have come out decked out in their best or their most creative. Yes, so it is just one of those nights when the theatre community just gets together and just celebrate their shared love for the art and shared love for just creativity. But hear what? The celebration doesn't end with the ceremony. Oh no. After the awards and the glitz and the glam, etc., there's always this famous after party where you can find almost every single one who would have attended the ceremony. They're at the after party as well. So from the veterans, yes, to the upcoming talented persons, everybody would be in one space just dancing the night away and just enjoying some real nice Jamaican reggae and dancehall, and just sharing stories about their own journey and their own love for the craft. Yeah, so the next time when you hear somebody ask about Jamaica and you're telling them about Jamaica, you can proudly say it is not just the home of reggae music. It's not just the home of jerk chicken. It's not just the home of breathtaking beaches. It's not just the home of the fastest man on the earth, but it is also the home of one of the most dynamic and vibrant and culturally rich theatre scenes within the world. And as a matter of fact, it is the best in the Caribbean, and I say that without apology. Yes, I say it without apology, and I say it without reservations. Jamaica has one of the richest cultural theatre scenes in the Caribbean. No other Caribbean island or English-speaking Caribbean has the level of rich cultural theatre, yes, that Jamaica has. And so that is also something that we can add to our ambassadorship when we talk about Jamaica and all the different things that are culturally here within the Jamaican space. The Actor Boy Awards. Everybody, Jamaica's own Oscar. A celebration of sheer talent, a celebration of culture, a celebration of creativity that continues to inspire, that continues to entertain, and one that just continues to develop and mold young, creative, and young talent. So if you ever find yourself on the island visiting Jamaica for whatever reason, make sure to check out a local production. Make sure, because sometimes there are at least 5 or 6 plays, 7, 8, 9 running for an entire year. So make sure you find a local theatre and just take in some local Jamaican talent and on-stage performance. Who knows, you might just be witnessing a performance from the next Actor Boy, Best Actress, Best Actor. You never know. An award-winning performance you might just be taking in. So don't deprive yourself of that experience by visiting the Jamaican Theatre. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. The Actor Boy Award, Jamaica's own very Oscar. So let me know, what are your thoughts? Did you know about this before? If this is your first time, just let me know in your comments. If you knew about it, just tell me what it is that you knew about it. If you know anybody who would have been a recipient or a nominee of any of the awards mentioned as well, just go ahead and put it in the comment section. If you're from another Caribbean island, do you have your own very Oscar awards in your Caribbean island? Tell us what's the name of it. Tell us what are the different awards that are given, and just wherever you are from in the world. Yes, just share with us what theatre is like, live theatre is like in your neck of the woods, and just share the name of that event that celebrates live theater performance. Can't wait to hear from you in the comment section. And so that's it. Until you hear from me again and I make another video, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.